other things I've done. That's about a
Third try to wrap it around. Does she know what she's doing? Field dress that motherfucker.
My crop.
Oh, phone took a header on the
Cubic
floor.
shuffle! Damn it, cubic shuffle, sister!
Heather, get the cubic shuffle going on over there. That's okay. It'll stop in a minute.
Baby's got back.
Oh, I don't like that. You seen that video?
You should sing Carrie and Daniel. Show your hat. Oh my God.
That's my Mexican baby.
It probably almost fits Daniel's big ass head.
It does.
Oh, it's still big.
Okay, Terry, last weekend.
Okay. Wait.
I should turn it over.
Wait, not the same situation that Terry was in. But he was this way over the trash
She's
can.
my baby. There ain't no doubt about
Easy,
that.
that's my bad leg. Kick the good leg all you want, not the bad
Baby, don't
one.
kick. Baby, don't kick.
Oh. I was not planning this. That was not planned. Fuck you, dude!
Track with my baby girl.
Hey, at least I didn't get the fall on the way down.
Every female would take it on him.
I know, I'm like,
Cracking me up.
I swear I'm a bitch or something.
And now, like,
But,
how the fuck am I gonna get up from this? Hey! That bitch, help me!
here.
Alright, you step on my feet. Yeah, that's good, actually. Oh! Yeah, high five, yeah, fuck yeah! It's good. Nice, it's good!
You liked it?
That's alright.
She's so Terry's daughter!
You are.
Oh, it took you this long. Oh my God! That's crazy.
Navy. Navy all the way. Career woman.
Hey,
Dan,
She found
I kissed a girl and I liked it. Don't tell my fiance about it.
You too?
Rhonda's in the bathroom screaming, just saying.
I kissed a girl and I liked it too.
I like it.
That's good.
Make sure let's both.
She kissed a girl and she liked it.
I kissed a girl.
When I was skinny, yes.
Have you kissed a girl?
Stick. I tasted. Desert, you gotta call. You fucked it up.
I didn't fuck nothing up, bitch.
What happened?
Nothing.
She called me a bitch.
Yeah, she just burped
say
like
bitch.
no
Uh-huh.
And no one noticed.
So they get off
No one
a
noticed.
third of it.
Cupid
one
shuffle.
noticed.
I got it. I'm with it. Let's do her out.
Fitty
Let's
fitty.
do her out.
Fucking song go. I kissed
Rhonda.
I loved it.
Yeah. With cherry chapstick.
Oh, look out, look out.
What happened? Where's my keys?
Where are you going?
I need to get my charger so we can keep listening to the cherry chapstick, bitch.
I got a charger right here. Right here. Right here.
Cupid card.
Right here.
Also, I
Cherry
need-
chapstick. Right here. I got it.
Hers.
I
Yeah.
kissed a girl and I loved it.
Yeah, I got Dustin's deal.
Well, good for you, Rhonda. You're awesome. I loved it.
Hey, is this plug-in you need? Then get over here.
Hey, goodness. Even
Yeah.
though she's in the
Yeah.
Navy, I bet she's never kissed
Wow.
a chick.
Nope.
Probably had.
No, I bet she never has.
Here.
You kissed a chicken, you liked it?
I kissed a girl and I liked it.
We know, we don't know you
Who has
did.
ever kissed a chick.
Cherry lip balm.
That one?
I guarantee.
Probably
she
that
is not
one.
kissing- She is
definitely
not.
that.
Most likely that
Have
one.
you kissed a chick?
And the one, that one in there, that's stubbling.
I'm not answering.
I loved it. I didn't like it. I loved it.
Liquor.
What? What about? What about?
Lesbian.
She's not
We're
answering
done.
my question.
She's a rock,
Any day.
rock or
Lesbian.
lesbian.
Music. Cuban shuffle.
Cubic shuffle.
You said human shovel.
New Kids on the Block.
Nice kiss me, girl.
Mean motherfucking woman.
Y'all brought up the subject, damn it.
And I loved it.
That girl could be in film. Look at her. Look at her. She's so animated.
I need a
Play
beer.
the cubic shuffle. I kissed a girl and I liked it. I kissed a girl and I liked it.
Oh, gracias.
Tonight.
No man I know.
Okay, Terry.
We need line dance. Cubic shuffle.
Hold on. What?
Cubic shuffle.
What does that mean?
Cubans?
Cubic
Stop
shuffle.
in. Cuban shuffle.
Cubans.
Me and Chrissy go
You got
shopping
Cubans?
Shuffle, be
tonight.
alright, yeah.
You guys don't have any liquor.
No.
Beer.
That's y'all's own fault. Last time I brought liquor over, fucking Terry fucking shattered the whole fucking bill. Bottle. Yes, that would be him.
I did it. I didn't mean to, but I did.
That's that fucker right there. His name's Terry fucking Dutton.
It happened. I tossed it.
Cubic shuffle.
It was a bad pass.
I think he's kin to like the dude that shot Ronald Reagan.